Leveling up your training doesn't have to be endless button spamming. I'm here to guide you to a more relaxed and easy method of leveling training. Let's embark together on this quest of donkey training. We start our adventure in the beautiful city of Calphion. To begin with, let's choose our donkey emblems from the stable keeper, like selecting the perfect color from our palette to paint a beautiful picture. Then let's set a scenic autopath loop between two stable keepers. This path will take us on a beautiful journey through the busy streets of the city. Like adding vibrant colors to our canvas, we'll unleash various experience buffs. Let's add a few colorful brush strokes like the Stonetail Windmeal and Celerity Draft. After plenty of preparation, it's time to start our main training routine. First, let's register our donkey at the stable keeper. You can paste in the name to save time and energy. Let's not forget to give our donkey a cute name. Then we want to take our companion on a ride through Calphion to the other stable keeper. And like at the end of every journey, it comes time to say goodbye. Let's send our donkey off to explore new meadows and mountains. From here, we start a new journey by choosing a trusty donkey companion. If you don't want to say goodbye to your donkey just yet, that's fine. You can ride the same donkey back to the first stable keeper, albeit with less experience gained. Now, in a moment of curiosity, you may wonder how much experience does this method give? I can tell you, friends, that this method gives slightly less experience than horse taming. But that's okay, not every painting needs to be a masterpiece, and not every second of your time has to be optimized to the fullest. Sometimes it's all about enjoying the ride and watching the peaceful landscape drive by, where you can let your worries gently drift away. Now let's gently lift the veil on why this method is so great for gaining training experience. After all, we don't gain much experience from simply training horses. You have to know that when riding mounts, they get a tick of experience in fixed intervals based on the distance you've traveled. On each of such ticks, both of you and your horse gain experience. The experience you gain is based on how much of the horse level the tick has completed. Donkeys, with their humble and sweet nature, require very little experience, far less than horses. Especially at the early levels, you'll notice each tick brings a world of experience as the donkeys level up quickly. This is particularly wonderful in the city of Calphion, where the two stable keepers are exactly 3 ticks apart from each other. But fear not, other cities are possible for this method too. Now, before I let you go, I have a few small tips to make your journey more fabulous, courtesy of Bubblepuff. First, let's not forget that shies ride donkeys faster, so you can use a shy to gain experience swiftly. Then you can enable mouse to move in the settings to interact with the stable keeper from afar like a whispering breeze. You can also save and load your autopath more easily by tapping Save Favorite and Retrieve Loop on the map. And to wrap it up, make sure to equip all your mastery gear to get that mount experience. And my friends, the brightest part of this journey is sharing it with your guild. Embark together on this path of training donkeys for sharing buffs and having a wonderful time. Isn't the real treasure in the journey itself and the friends we made along the way? Now I extend a world of gratitude to my guildies B Minor, Phronatos, Scooty, and especially the wonderful Tylandis for sharing their knowledge on this method, and thanks to Bubblepuff for coming up with the method. Happy training, dear friends. May your path of training be filled with happy little trees and joyful clouds dancing in the sky.